Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool where you can automate your literature review writing. So this tool is especially designed to write literature review, especially for academic literature review. So in this video, we are going to shoot out some research prompts and let us see how it will generate a perfect literature review for our research paper writing and academic writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to provide an exposure about different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different kinds of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. And the important thing is that I am going to show you a live research paper writing incorporating all the AI tools. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Yeschat AI. So it is having different kinds of templates in Yeschat AI. So in this video, we are specially focusing on our literature review building. So here these are the different options provided in this particular tool. So regarding literature review, so among them I am going to choose a literature review writing template called Welcome to Academic Literature Review Builder. So elevate your research with AI powered reviews. So these are the important things present in this academic literature review builder template. So here we will give some input prompts and let us see how it will generate answer for us. So for this, first I am going to choose some references in order to make a literature review. So here I am going to choose references, random references here. So these are the references I am going to choose. So you can copy the references, so and go to the dashboard. So you can paste the references. So you can give some research prompt like this based on the above references. Provide literature review. So like that you can give an input prompt. So it will take several seconds and it will generate. So especially whenever you are using this kind of AI templates, so it will generate a perfect content. So rather than using a chatbot as like ChatGPT and the DeepSeek, etc., there are many chatbots are available. So you can use this kind of option because so this kind of AI templates are especially designed for that particular purpose. So thereby you can get a better idea how to access that particular templates. So here comes our that is literature review. So here from this Yeschat output, so here you can see recent advancement in power electronics have significantly contributed to the development of efficient and compact DC to DC converters for renewable energy applications, particularly in the context of EV charging stations, non-isolated 3-port bidirectional converters. So like that it is given an introduction. So after that, so we have given some references. So all the references is cited here. So here you can see so the first one is cited like this, WU and LIN. So you can copy and paste the content. So based upon your journal requirement or your publishing requirement, so you can change the citation style whatever you want. So but this tool is giving citation style is like that, so you can make use of this. So there are many journal demands upon this different citation style starting from IEEE Springer, so you can customize that citation style accordingly. So this is how your literature review will be generated perfectly using this particular AI tool. So whenever you are using a normal chatbot, it will generate a common content, so that will be that will not give the strength of a literature review. So you have to pinpoint what are the important points present in this particular concept and references of each references you are choosing. So that is very important. So I am going to give another important thing. So I am going to give some abstracts here. So here I am going to give some 5 abstracts here. So you can copy and paste the content. So and give an input prompt like this. So give an input prompt. Based on the above abstract, make a review with introduction. So like that you can give an input prompt. So always correctly give the input prompt, so based upon the input prompt only, so it will generate answer for you. So and then click enter. So it will take several seconds. It will analyze the content what you have given. So based upon that content, so it will give some introduction. So after introduction, so it will give some that is literature review started. So in as the common points belong to that particular topic you have given, so all will be represented in the introduction part itself. So after that, so you can see this how this abstract is generated. So as we have not given any that is author names etc, so it is just given in numbers, that the citations are given in numbers. So here you can see starting from abstract 4, so after that abstract 3, like that it is taken. So based upon the input you have given, the abstract is generated. So you can make use of this option to generate a perfect abstract, that is literature review for your research paper and academic writing. So this is how you can use this Yeschat AI tool and generate a better content for your research paper writing. So it's a free AI tool, so go on and explore this particular Yeschat AI in order to get a better content and efficient literature review writing content for your academic writing. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.